Yyai is going to have one of the biggest short squeezes you've seen in a very, very long time. That's right, my friends. I am once again bullish on Yyai. Now, if you watched my previous video on Yyai, guys, and you did exactly what I said, you could have exited with some solid profits. Averaged all the way down from $1.30 down to down to 89 cents. Then from 89 cents on this pop to $1.20, you would have sold for some solid profits. Again, when it comes to these Chinese stickers, so what the hell is Yyai? Yyai is the epitome of a Chinese pumping them. Now, I know a bunch of people are going to say, Sam, it's not Chinese. On Robinhood, it says this. On Robinhood, it says that. The company is based out of China. It's a Chinese sticker, okay? And if you take a look at this chart, right? Pump dump, this is the daily chart, all right? And these prices are split adjusted, but they do still hold the charts, all right? So pump dump, 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 every damn day. Pump dump, 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 every day. These are all daily charts. So on this day, it ran from this level to this level, closed down on this level. Went from this level to this level, closed down on this level. Over and over and over and over again. And I'm telling you, my friends, this is a ticker which is once again due for yet another pump to the upside, especially in the market conditions which we're on right now. I'm telling you right now, this week, literally the only single type of ticker which I've seen run have been Chinese tickers. I don't know what's going on, but there has been a massive amount of surge in Chinese tickers that are running, and they're actually managing to hold their gains. So when it comes to YYAI, this is going to be the next ticker that needs to be on your radar. This is a previously hot stock which is due for a massive retracement all the way potentially of this level right over here, right, to the $1.73 levels, potentially even the test of the $2 levels. Now, when it comes to the sticker, the way you want to play it, I always tell you guys how to play these stickers, man. You want to be averaging in when no one's talking about it, and right now, nobody is talking about YYAI. Nobody even cares about YYAI. Everyone's like, oh, it's a lost cause, da da da, we'll get back to it another day, blah blah blah, right? Nobody cares about this ticker, right? And look, if you watched my previous video, right, when we go over here, right, give it a watch, right? So I'm bullish, here's why, but listen to what I said. It was trading at $1.30 at this point, right? Listen to what I said. It's downside. It's probably more likely than not, it could be heading all the way down to the $1 levels. $1. You heard that right, the $1 levels. So this is what you're going to do. You're not going to go all out, guns out, gung-ho and buy everything all at once. No. You're going to average in. Average in. Right? There you go. So if you had averaged in, right, it didn't go to a dollar, it went to 89 cents, but you would have had an average of, let's say, $1.10. Then when it popped to $1.20, bang, you would have been less than $1.10, like $1.05, give or take, $1.20, bang, you would have made about 10-15% gains. And that's, again, this is not the final move, okay? I think that it's setting up for a way bigger move. I could see it, again, going all the way upwards of $1.60 to $1.70 range. But it's going to be really interesting to see what happens, man. It's going to be really interesting to see what happens. I mean, the stock just had its float go ahead and shrink massively, right? It's now got a free float of 18 million shares with a market cap of only $20 million, right? And I think that so many times people see the 18 million, shares and they go, oh my God, it's got such a massive share, da da da. It's a $1 stock. It would be different if it was a $10 stock. It is a $1 stock. This is why you always also need to pay attention to the market cap as well, right? And not just go based off of what the free float looks like. Because what is more volatile? You tell me this, right? A 10 million share stock, right? A stock that has 10 million shares but costs $100, or a stock that has 20 million shares but it only costs $1. Obviously the latter, right? So this is why you really got to go ahead and pay attention to both of them. But I'm bullish, man. I'm bullish. I expect a massive move to the upside sooner than later when it comes to YYI. Now, another thing that I like about YYI as well is they're broke as a joke, so they're going to pump the stock before they dilute. But when we go over here to the news, right, this is one of those companies which is very news sensitive. Like when news comes out, it gets running, and it doesn't even need news to come out because, again, it's a Chinese pump and dump piece of shit stock, okay? If you have ever decided to, convince yourself that this is fundamentally a good company, you're a fucking idiot, okay? You are just coping, all right? You're coping. You don't know how to deal with losses. I think you should just quit trading completely, right? And I think that you really need to look at things for what they are. This is a Chinese pump and dump, which is good because right now it's in the dump era. Therefore, a pump era will return. That's it. It's really that simple, all right? It's not, I can come here and go through this detail. And that's it. That's the video. Congratulations, all right? Take care, everyone. Now listen, if you want to trade alongside me every single day, okay? We don't trade these Chinese shitty stocks. We do trade a lot more quality stocks. Check out our private community. Our private community right now is on a 50% sale for the next 10 members that join. I added 10 more sales spots right now. Check it out. Now, Our community is the only community, don't click away, listen to what I'm saying. Our community is the only community which comes with a 2 weeks free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. 14 days free, 30 days money back guarantee. Jim Bigus yesterday says 5 days into the 14 days free trial, and Discord calls is already paid for. I've only been trading trading the swing alerts, or else it would be a lot more if I had the time to also day trade. Thanks, Sam, and the amazing team you built together. $300 the past week. My man says been in a few servers in my life. The rest don't even fucking compare. Not just to trade, not just the trade quality, but the mentors actually care about you making money. Stops the slack and try to free trial. Bang, Medical on MVP. SETI, beautiful, beautiful. Literally today, this is just pre-market trading. My man says, look at his portfolio ever since he joined, $2,000 up. And Nas says, I made about 50%, 53% on trade options today, and even more exercising my positions as well. On one trade that'll make up the fee paid for taking the class. It is all worth thanks to Sam and IG. So we have day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, lessons, one-on-one access, everything like that, right? And over here we have top trade account, $20,000 in a single freaking day. I joined after, this is now last week, Friday. It says, I joined after getting burned in a moon market Discord from a pump and mobile funds. Easily the best decision I ever made. Bang, $25,000. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. Lily didn't kill yourself says, this community changed my life. The few thousand I made here, crushing it, man. Crushing it, crushing it. Give it a shot. Anyways, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Happy in trading. Once again, next 10 members 50% discount, 2 weeks free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. Remember, don't give up, don't quit. Why? Because 90% of traders are unprofitable. 90% of traders just quit before they become profitable. I believe in you. Believe in yourself. Your boy Sam.